What's good, beautiful people? Thanks for clicking on this video. If you're new here, welcome. Today I'm showing y'all my routine for dyeing my hair jet black. I've been dyeing my hair for a couple of months now, about once a month or maybe once every 2 months. I'm using Dark and Lovely today. My hair is freshly washed. Just kidding, it's not freshly washed. You actually don't want to start with clean hair. Well, I don't start with clean hair because coloring it while it's dirty is a natural way to actually protect your scalp. Here's me trying to grab my hair, trying to do a length check. This is my first time dyeing my hair since my haircut. I started using these dollar store gloves because my nails kept getting messed up every time I dyed my hair, and I am not with that. I like keeping my nails done. I like my nails staying fresh, and dyeing my hair black, that's something that I do consistently, so might as well invest in some gloves that I don't have to throw away every time. I can just pull them out when I need to. They are used, it says used for cleaning, which I do have a separate pair that I use for cleaning. They're actually a really nice pair of gloves. As for this hair dye, it's very simple to use. I do recommend reading the instructions the first time through. This is what will come in the box, as well as instruction and as well as some gloves. This is me applying Vaseline around the perimeter of my hair so the dye doesn't really get stuck to my skin. Also, if you don't have gloves like mine and you just use the gloves out of the box, put Vaseline on your nails, and that helps too with the dye not like sitting on the nail and changing the color. Section by section, I'm then squirting the dye on my hair. I try to not make a mess, but that doesn't work. This is me trying to clean it up on the floor. Actually, this is me moving my carpet. If you have a carpet, I mean, if you're doing it in the bathroom, like, you know, try to do it on a floor that you can wipe it up, because I be getting it on my carpet. If you look on the corner of my wall, I got it on my wall. I make a mess with this stuff all the time. I try not to. It's just kind of hard. It's just, you know, be aware that this stuff is messy when using it. I'm just making sure that I'm distributing the dye on all my strands. I'm working in small sections. This is something that I want to do it one time and it be good that one time, because dyeing your hair is putting chemicals that aren't necessarily natural. You're changing the physical properties of your hair. This is my favorite part. Once I get to the top where I see my middle part, I am really focusing on saturating my hair with this dye at the top of my hair. One, because I wear my hair in a middle part and these are the hairs that you're going to see directly. And two, I know that I have a lot of product buildup at the top of my hair, and I really want the hair dye to saturate these strands, and the more product that's on them, the less likely the dye can do it. So I want to really make sure that I'm putting enough dye. Once I'm done, I am putting a shower cap on just so the dye doesn't get everywhere. I let the dye sit on my hair 30 to 45 minutes just to be sure, because I hate dyeing my hair and then the dye not staying. Like, I can still see my brown roots or whatever. But as soon as I'm done, I'm going straight in the shower, rinsing it thoroughly, being very careful because the dye will go everywhere. So just being very mindful when in the shower and cleaning it right away once you're out so it doesn't stain. I am then getting my co-wash and applying it all over my hands like lotion, kind of. My idea is putting it on my nails so the dye doesn't get on my nails. Creates this slippery surface that the dye can't just sit on, and then I'm using that as I am co-wash to wash my hair and help me get out any of the dye and also clean my hair as well. I didn't shampoo today, but I very rarely skip shampooing, so my next wash I'll probably definitely shampoo. Shampooing is very important. If I'm skipping it, it's because I don't necessarily feel like my scalp is that dirty, and I feel that my co-wash is capable of taking out any of the dirt or products that are in my hair. I am using warm to hot water during all my wash days. Next, I'm going straight in with my deep conditioner. I'm using Aunt Jackie's Fix It Deep Conditioner, a great, intense, moisturizing deep conditioner. I love to do this after dyeing my hair because it just adds that moisture, even though Dark and Lovely does not strip my hair at all. But this is a very great moisturizer, and it's less than $10. The co-wash is such a great detangler as well. Like, it's just very conditioning that it helped me finger detangle. I am going to use a detangling brush today. I usually don't in the shower, but today I felt like it was a little necessary because I dyed my hair and I just felt like my hair was pretty knotty. So I put in that deep conditioner to help me section my hair off a little bit. And then I'm going to apply that deep conditioner and then use my detangling brush. And this is from Pattern Beauty, their shower brush. I've had this for a while. It is my go-to shower brush. I really like it. It's a very sturdy brush and it's sleek looking. I definitely recommend this brush for any thick haired curly cuties. And this is my result, y'all. After washing my hair, I put the deep conditioner in, put on a shower cap, and then I sat under a hooded dryer for 30 minutes. If you're hearing this and you haven't sat under your hooded dryer, this is your week to go do that. I don't do it every week, but when I think about it, I try to put the effort in, especially when I'm dyeing my hair. I want to keep my hair moisturized and keep it moisture trained, and that is definitely one of the ways to do it: deep conditioning and adding heat to your deep condition. And the only thing on my hair now is Camille Rose's Curl Love Milk. I love this stuff. It has really good ingredients, especially for hair growth. And that's it, y'all. I did a wash and go, I think, after this, or maybe I put in my ponytail, I'm not sure, but you can definitely go watch another video and see how I style my hair. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for staying till the end. Please like, please comment, please subscribe, and thank you.